I'm gonna head out to the supermarket, but before that I'm gonna call my little brother and ask if he wants to come. Chase! Chase! You wanna come to the supermarket? Hear the boy disrespectful. Answer me what? We ready now? Okay, just to make sure. So yeah, we're not really ready, you know. It just takes a long time to get ready because he's more of a girl than I am apparently. I can't see squat my writing and yeah, my phone. My phone is so low.
You good?
I was trying to turn out the brightness on my phone. Oh yeah, lick up.
Right this up. This.
Oh your poor bone. So cute, daddy. And here is your phone. Why?
Spanish, so.
Oh, okay.
One damn, somebody phone mash up something.
So me buy my own expensive.
Daddy left his wallet, so we have to go back and get it.
All week I'm not buying nothing, so that me gonna continue for the next 2.5 years.
Yes, I was grown. It took me less than a week to save up to buy my phone.
Because you are work, Kayla.
Exactly, that's what I'm saying. If you want a phone, you ask mommy if you buy a phone.
Money is getting scarce, Kayla. Daddy I give me 300 instead of 500.
Because you have lunch, I can't go to school.
Yeah, you have lunch.
See, I've never claimed to be a nice person. I'm not going to put on a mask or anywhere because, you know, the more people get sick from me, the better. That's how I look at it. It still push me. Thank you. Come on now. Second or save. There's your card. And you come over here, so no? Excuse me, I set a moment, sir. Only Canada. Can you get one, please?
Bunch of innocent rebels. What do you want to say? Want to stop me?
Yeah, come here.
Maybe.
Somebody here try to keep everything around. Stop the cup. You see how much you pay? Man?
Just one pill.
Yes, 126. Thank you.
You get the product?
120, yeah, I get it. 126 $1 just to calm the pain within my full belly because I was born a female. Does that seem unfair to you?
Could not be me. Couldn't ever be me.
Okay, because to your male, use a species, a different species. Hold on, I need to put this in my pocket.
Yes, could not be me.
You want to grab my money? No, because you want to go with it. But you know you're like a crook. Yeah, like a crook, I'm not trust you.
Let me, we are going to say
Charming might let you know run out of money, but I know. Yeah, and Charming could have did a kakuji.
What you do? You're going to dead in one day in the killer. Watch your surroundings. You're going to dead one day.
Yeah, so like you plan to kill me, Chase. Tell me what going on.
but I'll stop till I see one next time.
And we'll be
She
back
not say.
home now. Whee, and we're back home. Why the sun does act for no reason? Where the bag that is? I said, where's the bag? Thank you. And the night you're next.
Alright. Kaya you can.
You call him. The door open already. Ha ha ha. And we're home. Now I'll strip and go shower. So yeah, that was today's video, just showing you what a sick person does at the supermarket. Before y'all complain about not wearing a mask, it's not mandatory here, and if I'm sick, I believe everyone should be sick too.